Hello, everybody. My name is Mark LeBlanc with LeBlanc Tech Services. If this is your first time on our channel, please hit that subscribe button. Today, I wanted to talk about why I do not usually recommend Hulu. It comes down to one main reason. So thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and here we go. Let's talk a little bit about the ownership of Hulu. So Hulu is owned a third by Comcast and 2/3 by Disney. When Hulu was a bargain, this didn't bother me as much, but now Comcast is the reason for a lot of the problems with the internet infrastructure, and Disney is known to be another large corporation that doesn't always do nice things. I feel in some sense they are actually double dipping. It just seems unfair that they own a lot of the content and they are now one of the most expensive services without giving you the most. They are now the same amount as a Fubo or YouTube TV or more, but they give you less content. One of the biggest things about that is they own most of it. So you would think that they'd be able to give you a better price. I had trouble fitting all the content that Comcast owns on one slide. So, that should say something. And Disney was not a whole lot better. So that just does not sit well with me. So mainly for those reasons, first of price, and second, I feel like they're taking a little bit of advantage and double dipping. My first choice would be Fubo TV. My second choice would be YouTube TV. I'll post a link down below for my affiliate link for Fubo TV. And if you guys have any other questions, please feel free to reach out. I'm also going to post our contact information. So thank you, everybody. Have a great day. Stay safe. And talk to you soon.